Hey friends, I'm Catherine, and I showed you a colander pour the other day that turned out amazing, and someone recommended I make it into a clock. And that's an awesome idea. So that's what I want to do. But for the numbers around the dial, I want to use different colored bits of acrylic poured skins, and I also want to do that through a colander. This is actually a drain sieve, but whatever. So I've got this set up, and I want to use a very light purple and a sort of intense pink and a little bit of black. Not too much black. I'm going to go light on the black because the other one is pretty heavy on the black. So the other thing. Let's get started, of course. But the other thing is that the canvas that I'm pouring on isn't just canvas. It came plastic wrapped, and I've left the plastic wrap on it so that it ends up being able to be pulled off afterward, and I can use it like a skin, because that seems like an easy, fast, and fun thing to do to me, and waste not, want not, right? So I'm just pouring the paint. I've probably got too much paint on here already, but we'll just see how it ends up. See how it spreads out, maybe just a tiny dab more black. And then just kind of let it drain through for a little bit. And it looks very floral to me right now. You can't see it through the drain sieve, of course, but it looks, as it's spreading out, like thousands of layers of petals opening up from the center, to me at least. Let's just wait for it to finish all of its dripping. Okay, that's probably good. So I'll just set that aside for a moment and then have a look at that. Do you see what I mean about it being like layers of petals drifting out from a center point? You probably don't. That's okay. Let's spread this around just ever so gently and see how it ends up. Oh. See, I love that. That is gorgeous to me. That's just beautiful. And it's mostly actually purple with only a little bit of pink, which is surprising. Ah, there's the pink coming out. Just needed to stretch a little bit more. Because I was expecting it to be more pink with the amount of pink that I dumped into there. Still, we don't need to necessarily worry about getting all the way out to the corners or the edges, and it will spread a little bit more as I let it sit if I don't stretch it out thin enough that it's still going to want to flow. But this is very pretty to me, so I think I just want to play with it a little bit. After all, we are going to pull the plastic off afterward and just use it as a skin for our time designations, hopefully, if everything works out. But that is lovely to me. I don't want to spread it out too much or get it too swirly. Let's just bring it on down this way, just slowly and gently. And that is almost something we can be happy with, I think. We'll let it dry, but that's what I did today. Oh, do you see the plastic? So yeah, once it's dried, I'm just gonna pull the plastic off from the back and open it up, and I'll have a skin, in theory. We'll see how it goes. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely let me know. I'm always glad to hear from you. And I put up new videos most every day, so I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!